Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure essential prerequisites are ready, get installed, a supported browser, and adequate disk space. Once done, download the Flutter SDK archive for your operating system and extract it to a simple path such as /src/flutter or ~development/flutter so paths stay clean. Then add the Flutter bin folder to your path environment variable so the Flutter command runs from any terminal. Finally, verify basic tooling by opening a terminal and running Flutter version to confirm the SDK is accessible. You continue by running Flutter Doctor and addressing each reported issue. This will guide you to install Android SDK components or accept licenses. Make sure to install Android Studio for SDK Manager and create at least one AVD emulator with a system image. On Mac OS, you must install Xcode and run sudo xcode build license to accept terms. On Windows, enable Hyper-V or Haxum for emulators. Once the SDKs are installed, run Flutter Doctor again until it reports no critical problems, and you finish by creating a sample project with Flutter Create My App and launching it with Flutter Run to confirm a working toolchain. Make sure your IDE has Flutter and Dart plugins so you get code completion and device management. If you hit build errors, first confirm path settings and SDK locations, then run Flutter Clean to reset build artifacts and rebuild. One key troubleshooting tip: when devices don't appear, restart a DB with a DB kill server and a DB start server, then reconnect the device or restart the emulator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.